Hey guys, I am here with the Enchantimals Playhouse Panda set. This is the last Enchantimals set that I needed. So I'm super excited to have it now. Thank you to Mattel for sending this over to us. We also have a Brie Bunny to open today as well. So we will wait until we get this open first. This is over 2 foot wide. Oh my goodness. Oh goodness. I hope it fits in the camera area. But let's go ahead and turn it around. There's 7 areas to play. And, whoops, we're having technical issues there. Okay, got it turned around, super awesome. Let's read a little bit about it. It says, meet the Enchantimals, a group of lovely girls who share a special bond with their animal best friends. Together they live in a fantastical world where fun and adventure are right around every corner. A world where friendship makes anything possible. So there's a bunk bed for you and your bestie. You take the elevator to the top. Share a meal with your friend. You could swing with a friend. You could check out the view. You could hang in the balcony and you can get ready together. There's little toilets in there. That's awesome. Okay, so this does require assembly. Let me go ahead and get it out of the box. I'll build it and then we'll take a closer look at it. As predicted, it did not really fit in my filming space, but you know, it still fits. We'll try our best. So we'll look at one level at a time. We do have Prue Panda here. She's first up. She's standing in a little peg on the ground. There's little pegs all throughout this entire house, which is really cool. So anyway, let me read you a little bit about Prue. Prue knows more about the secrets of the Enchanted Forest than anyone else. But she also has a tendency to speak in riddles, making it difficult to understand what information she's actually giving you. Prue is absolutely adorable. Just like every other Enchantimal ever, she has a hard top, like a painted on body suit. And then her skirt is actually fabric and elastic and can come off. And look at her cute little panda boots. So cute. And I really like her skirt, how it has the paw prints on it. I think that's so cute. And then behind her is her little friend. He's just swinging on the swing. He can come off, but like I said, they're both standing on pegs. You can kind of, I don't know if you can see them, but they're all throughout. Let me go ahead and have her just chill. Actually, we can have her sit on the swing. Maybe, possibly, yeah. Whoa. I wouldn't swing too crazily with these guys. Okay, there you go. There you go, little friends. So, over here, let's see, we have toilets. I have the toilets over there. There's one for you, or one for the doll, and one for the little guy. I love that. They just kind of set wherever you want, and then there's sinks there. So that's pretty simple. This flooring right here is just a piece of cardboard, and honestly will just flip right up. All 3 of the rooms have that. And then over here is the kitchen. We have this. See, these pieces, like the sink and this oven, those are connected to the wall. Those are one piece. They're not like anything you could open or close or anything. It's just kind of decoration. You do get these cute little jars here. You can move around though. We get some food. Well, mostly just a bowl of fruit, which is on a peg on a table. There's a teapot and some cups. And we also have these seats. So we have a regular seat and then we have like a high chair type deal for the pet, the little animal friend, which is so cute. And you can take that right off and put it on another seat, or you can just not have it at all. So I really love the grass. I don't know how well you guys can tell on camera, but it is absolutely amazingly detailed. I love it. I want to frolic in that grass. Like, I'm not even kidding. So anyway, moving up the line here. Oh, I almost forgot. We do have like a little chair slide thing. There are steps here. You can go up. Let me get we have Brie Bunny here. Let me, is there anywhere she can stand? I think, oh, she might be able to fit here for now. No, she's too tall. She has high ears. Let's just leave her there. She's gonna be bent over. So we have the little bunny friend. Let's go ahead. She can climb up the steps like this, and she can hang out all the way at the top, which you guys can't see in camera, but there's a peg up there. And she can just chill up there and hang out and have a good time. Just watch out for visitors or whatever. So Brie Bunny, come here, sweetie. You can hang out right here, actually. I didn't notice this peg. So there's that peg right there. And if you want to see Brie Bunny more in detail, you should go check out my Enchantimals playlist. But I do love her skirt. She has little carrots on her skirt. You guys can tell. She's not... See, her shoes are weird. See, when they have these shoes... It's the really flimsy shoes, so they're not really holding on her feet. So she's fine. She's fine. They all stand in the pegs and everything. It's really good. It's all good. So this tree is very detailed, has lots of bark texturing on it. I absolutely love that. And another thing, the roof is so awesome. Like right here, and right here. The shingles, like it's just so good. Another thing, we have a bed. I'm most excited for this part. What it is a bed for your Enchantimal doll, and then it's like a little bunk bed so your little animal friend can sleep at the top. So let's go ahead. We're gonna grab you guys. She had enough fun out at the, oh, she has a little tail. Look at her little tail. You had enough fun out in the swing. So she is a little too big for the bed by like an inch. And then your little animal friend can climb up, go doop, 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 and sit in her little thing. I think that's so cool. There's one more feature I want to show you guys. Let me move this down. So right here we have the little elevator. Let's go ahead and get our bunny friend. So our bunny friend can go ahead and sit in here. I believe there's 2 pegs, so 2 little friends can go in, or, I mean, you don't even need to use the pegs if you don't want to. But what you do is you go zoop, right up there. Oh. Ready? And up here, and it locks into place, and then you can be like, oh, I'm going to sleep too, and then they could just, you know, go to sleep. It's really good. I really actually like this set a lot. I think this would be good for, well, obviously it's good for Enchantimals, but it could be good for a lot of different toys, and I think it's just so fun. It's a nice size, and it's very detailed. I'm loving it. Even the, like right here, I'm gonna call them vines. Like you have the vines and little leaves, and you got the texturing on the side of here. I love it all. It's so cool. Here's just a closer look at the kitchen here. Trying to get trying to show you the floor. It's just like tile with some flowers and paw prints. And then here is the grass. I'm still trying to get you guys to see the detail and the texture. It's just so hard to pick up on camera, but it's so awesome. And then, okay, here is the closer look at the bathroom. It has some tile that has flowers. I think it's really neat. It looks like flowers. It's really cool. So we're just gonna go up. I'm just gonna kind of give you a quick close-up glance of everything. And I love the arch. I just love, like I said, I love all the detail. I think it's so cool. And then there's the bedroom. The bedroom just has like a wood floor. Well, it's not wood, it's a piece of cardboard, but it has a wood pattern on it. So cool. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe because I post new videos every single day. Thank you again to Mattel for sending this to me for reviewing. It's so cool. I'm really excited to use it. I'm probably going to use this for displaying a lot of things. I think it's really fun. Anyway, thank you guys again for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!